Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super quick, like 5 minutes or less makeup look that you can just do if you want to run out the door or you just feel like you should put something on so you don't look tired like me, but I'm also like squinting into the sun. So there's really like 4 products that I'm using. 5 products that I'm using, and that's literally it, and that's all I'm gonna need to just go about my day. So I'm actually just doing this because I want to film another video, but I don't feel like putting on a full face of makeup because I'm lazy. So I'm just going to do a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with my concealer, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light. And the key is to not use a lot of products in general. So I'm really not going to be using a lot of concealer, just in the places that I think I need it. So I just kind of dotted it, and then I'm going to take my sponge and make sure that everything is nice and blended out. And I do want to get my eyelids as well because I do have like red eyelids. And also, before this, I did wash my face and moisturize, so don't skip that. I'm just going to add a little bit more concealer on my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop brow pencil in Dope Taupe. So just brushing through my brows first. Really with this look, I'm just trying to like hit the high points of my face, I guess. And that kind of like brings attention to my face. I don't know, it like makes me look more intense looking, I guess. So next I'm just going to go in with a little bit of blush. You don't want to choose a color that's too overwhelming for your face, too dark, too shimmery, things like that. So I'm going to be going in with the Tarte P-A-A-A-R-T-Y Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Looks like this. I think this was what I got for my birthday month from Sephora. So I'm really not putting on a lot of blush, obviously. And then I'm actually going to go back with my sponge and just make sure that that's nice and blended out. And then some mascara. This is the Tarte Tartist mascara. And this is definitely the step that I spend the most time on, just because I think that my eyelashes, well, I think that anybody's eyelashes are kind of like the main focus of your face. I don't know. And it'll really make you look more awake and put together, even when you're not. And you don't have to, but I like to do my bottom lashes as well. So there's the lashes done. And literally the last step is lips. And I do have a little bit of lip balm off, so I'm going to kind of wipe that off on my sleeve. But you want to kind of go in with a pop of color. I like to do that just because it makes you look like you're wearing more makeup than you actually are. So this is the Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang lipstick. And it's just this kind of pinky color. So I'm going to put this on. And I would not use a matte lipstick because I just think that that'll, you know, just won't look good with this kind of look. And that is the finished look. It's super easy. I should have timed myself because I really think that that took me less than 5 minutes to do. But I'm comfortable with this amount of makeup. I would go outside and be seen in the world like this and feel perfectly okay. The only thing I might add is a little bit of powder underneath my eyes, just so my concealer doesn't crease or anything like that. But this concealer is pretty good, the Fit Me, so I'm not too concerned about that today. So yeah, let me know what your kind of like 5-minute makeup routine is, if it's simpler than mine, if it's a little more complicated, things like that. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!